In case if you want to delete the YouTube channel, then what you do is go ahead and open this site, myaccount.google.com. click on sign in. Now from here you will select the Gmail account, or you will enter the Gmail account and put the password for the Gmail account. Now once you are logged into the Gmail account, what you do is click on this data and personalization, scroll down, and under this download, delete or make a plan for your data, you have the option delete a service or your account. Click on it. Now if you want to delete a Google service such as YouTube, then what you do is click on delete a service, and then you need to enter the password again. Now there are two services which I have used currently, YouTube and Gmail. So if you want to delete YouTube, I have to click on this delete icon and the YouTube account will be deleted. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for